Hello, this is Al-Hussaini from Al-Hussaini Virtual Lab, Pathology Talks, Tips and Practical Tips. Today we're going to address one important practical tip that we might encounter while reporting Pap smears, which is the presence of Candida in Pap smears. Now remember that frequently Candida can be encountered in Pap smears. Up to 3% of Pap smears can show Candida, whether this is associated with symptoms or quite often asymptomatic. What we see is actually the presence of a tangle of threads among the squamous epithelium. Now, an important clue to the presence of Candida is a sign or a feature in which we see the squamous epithelium stacked along one axis. This sign has become known as Shish kebab sign, and this is similar to actually shish kebab. We have the Candida is like the skewer on which the squamous epithelium is stacked. Now, this is an important and useful clue to the presence of Candida, which sometimes can be inconspicuous, can be not very obvious within the Pap smear. Now, this is the tip for the diagnosis or a clue to the potential of presence of Candida. However, Candida infection can sometimes be associated with the presence of some perinuclear halos reminiscent of, but not quite exactly like, koilocytes. And this is the pitfall that we need to pay attention to. So if we encounter in a Pap smear Candida, and then some adjacent squamous cells would reveal the presence of this perinuclear halo, we should really be very careful not to overcall the Pap smear as showing features of koilocytosis or L-cell changes. I hope you find this clue useful in your practice. Thank you.